The Wiha Crimp Tool Automatic is a versatile wire-end sleeve crimping tool with an automatic adjustment mechanism catering to wire sizes from 0.08 to 16 mm square. Its hexagonal crimping profile ensures a secure connection, especially for larger wire sizes, and the wide crimping range makes it suitable for various applications. The tool's built-in feed aid prevents plastic cover crimping, focusing on a robust metal-to-metal connection. The manual override lever provides operational flexibility, and ergonomic handles offer a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. Overall, it stands out as an efficient, user-friendly choice for professionals and DIers requiring precise wire-end sleeve crimping. Pneumatic wire twisters, such as those offered by NICHIFU, are essential tools in the electrical industry for efficiently twisting multiple wires together before crimping or soldering. Powered by compressed air, these twisters accommodate wires of various sizes and gauges. NICHIFU's lineup includes models like the handheld H1000 and foot-operated F1000, both capable of handling wires up to 10 AWG. Renowned for their quality and durability, NICHIFU pneumatic wire twisters are a cost-effective choice for businesses and individuals seeking reliable wire preparation tools. The Southwire Romex brand SmartBox Shark Tooth Fixture Box stands out as an innovative solution for streamlined retrofit electrical installations. With its built-in hole saw, center-located piercing drill bit, and raised mounting rings, it simplifies the installation of overhead lighting, wall sconces, and smoke detectors. The box's 9/16 inches lug facilitates easy fixture mounting, while non-metallic cable clamps keep wires organized. Meeting UL and ROHS standards, this fixture box ensures both safety and reliability. Electricians and DIRs benefit from its user-friendly design, precision, and versatility in various installation scenarios. HAUPA cable pulling devices, including fiber optic and steel rods, along with motorized or manual drum devices, are crucial for efficiently navigating cables through confined spaces during installation or maintenance. The selection caters to diverse needs, with options for delicate fiber optic cables to heavier ones, offering flexibility in diameter and pulling force. Additional accessories, such as pulling grips and swivel heads, enhance adaptability to specific cable types and installation scenarios. When choosing a HAUPA device, considerations like cable type, diameter, pulling force, distance, ease of use, and budget play a role. The range ensures professionals can find the right tool for specific cable pulling requirements, making installations more efficient and precise. The CableCaddyTwin 3-in-1 is a cable dispenser designed to simplify the unwinding of large and heavy cable reels. Its two-piece flexible design enables easy transport and assembly, even for one person. The tilt roller control allows for quick repositioning with one-hand movement, saving valuable time. Stabilized by an aluminum bar, the dispenser ensures the unwinding rails are always correctly positioned. Featuring distancing rollers and ball-bearing support rollers, it prevents cable reel wobbling, ensuring smooth operation. With a capacity for reels up to 500 kilograms, it's suitable for heavy-duty applications in construction, electrical work, telecommunications, warehousing, and manufacturing. The CableCaddyTwin 3-in-1 is a versatile and efficient tool for cable handling. The Greenlee Gator inline remote cable cutter and crimper is a versatile hydraulic tool designed for cutting and crimping cables in various applications, particularly in overhead or confined spaces. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it features a remote control for safe operation, allowing the operator to control functions from a distance. The tool is capable of cutting various cable types, including ACSR, aluminum, and copper, and can crimp a range of connectors such as lugs, terminals, and splices. With a durable and reliable construction, the Gator comes with a 2-year warranty from Greenlee, making it a powerful and trustworthy choice for cable cutting and crimping needs. The Fluke 2052 and 2062 wire tracers are advanced tools designed for precise troubleshooting of energized and de-energized wires in diverse settings. With a Cat4 600V rating, they can withstand transient voltage spikes up to 8,000 volts, ensuring safety in various environments. Both models offer 4 receiver modes, including tone mode and amplified tone mode for audible feedback, digital signal strength for precise location identification, and break finder mode for detecting wire breaks. The Fluke 2062 further incorporates a smart tone tracer feature that automatically adjusts the tracing signal to match specific wire types, enhancing versatility and suitability for low voltage or shielded wires. The HELLERMANNTYTON ProCoot is a robust, battery-powered cable tie, tensioning and cutting tool designed for professionals dealing with the bundling of large or thick cables. Offering compatibility with cable ties ranging from T50 to T250 and featuring 16 tension settings, it ensures optimal tension for various applications. The electronic tensioning system enhances accuracy and consistency, crucial for safety and performance. The tool's efficiency significantly saves time and effort compared to manual alternatives, while its ergonomic design and low-force trigger minimize hand strain during prolonged use. Versatility in handling a wide range of cable ties makes the ProCoot a valuable tool for diverse applications, making it an excellent choice for professionals seeking efficiency, precision, and versatility in cable bundling. The Milwaukee M12 cable stapler is a compact and lightweight cordless tool designed for efficiently securing NMB-sheathed cable and low-voltage cables to wood. Its maneuverability in tight spaces is enhanced by a movable cable guide system, ensuring precise staple alignment for a secure hold. The coil spring mechanism consistently sinks staples to the correct depth, preventing cable damage. With high runtime capabilities, delivering up to 1,200 staples on a single charge of an M12 CP2. 0Ah battery, it offers prolonged usability. Its durable construction caters to the demands of professional use, making the Milwaukee M12 cable stapler a popular and reliable choice for electricians, both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The RIDGID fiberglass stepladders with ProTop are designed to meet the demands of professionals seeking a sturdy, versatile, and safe ladder. Available in sizes ranging from 4 feet to 12 feet, these ladders boast a ProTop design, a heavy-duty molded top cap with slots and compartments for tools, paint cans, and a groove for securing pipes or lumber. Additional features include double rivet step construction for enhanced strength, wide back braces for stability, pinch-resistant inside spreader braces for safety, skid-resistant rubber feet for grip, and non-conductive solid fiberglass rails for electrical safety. Ideal for contractors, electricians, painters, and various professionals, these ladders come in diverse sizes and capacities to suit specific needs. PowerAD is an innovative tool designed for the swift and efficient installation of flush-mounted electrical boxes. Comprising a level, bevel gauge, and ruler, this tool simplifies the precise positioning of boxes. With a built-in clamping function, PowerAD securely holds the boxes in place during installation, saving time and effort. This tool is especially beneficial for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone involved in electrical box installation, ensuring proper leveling and positioning. For a user-friendly and effective solution, PowerAD stands out as the ideal choice. The ECEH14 suspension clamp, integral to the universal cable system for ADSS cables, ensures secure overhead cable suspension. Begin by opening the clamp fully by counterclockwise rotation of the wedge. Insert the cable into the clamp groove, centering it properly, and then tightly close the clamp by rotating the wedge clockwise, engaging its teeth for a firm grip. Utilize a wrench to tighten the bolt as per UCS installation manual specifications. Thoroughly inspect the installation to confirm a secure closure and correct cable seating, avoiding gaps or damage. Always adhere to safety protocols, consult the UCS installation manual for precise instructions, and regularly inspect clamps for wear or damage while respecting load capacity limits. The RUNPOMETER RM35 stands out as a durable and portable digital tool designed for accurately measuring the length of cables, ropes, pipes, and hoses. Its rugged construction, including splash-proof, dust-proof, and shock-resistant features, makes it well-suited for outdoor use. The wheel sensor ensures precise measurements with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.1%, while the large, easy-to-read display provides real-time length information along with total and previous measurements. The RM35's versatility extends to various tasks, from construction projects to determining rope lengths for recreational setups. Additional features include a long battery life of up to 100 hours, a countdown function for specific length tasks, and the option for calibration to maintain accuracy for professional use. Greenlee provides a range of underground remote cable cutters, each tailored for specific cable cutting needs and diameters. Notable models include the ESG65LXR for smaller cables, up to 2.55 inches, featuring a lightweight design and rotating head, and the heavy-duty ESG105LXR for larger power cables, up to 4.13 inches, with enhanced safety features. The ERX50LXR specializes in cutting energized cables with an insulated hot stick and remote operation, including a visual cut confirmation indicator. All models share hydraulic operation for precise cutting, remote control for safety, and durable construction. Choosing the right Greenlee underground remote cable cutter involves considering specific applications, cable types, and diameters, necessitating adherence to manufacturer specifications for optimal selection. The Southwire Sumner Gantry and skid system is a specialized material handling solution designed for transporting and storing large reels of aluminum conductor at the Southwire plant in Sumner, Washington. The system features a 200-foot-long gantry supported by concrete piers, equipped with two 40-ton capacity cranes for moving conductor reels. The skid system incorporates steel tracks along the gantry's length, facilitating the smooth movement of conductor reels placed on skids. This integrated system plays a crucial role in Southwire's production process, enhancing efficiency and increasing production capacity by enabling the effective handling of large reels used in the manufacture of electrical wire and cable. The Jacari XL cable stripper is a specialized tool designed for efficient wire stripping in deep wall outlets. Its extra-long design facilitates reaching wires within the outlet, and its unique 4-blade configuration simplifies the insulation stripping process. Crafted from high-quality materials and TUV-GS tested, the Jacari XL ensures safety and reliability. Its user-friendly design makes it accessible for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Electricians and individuals working with deep wall outlets can benefit from the Jacari XL, saving time, reducing frustration, and enhancing overall work quality. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.